As I was a-walking down by the seashore, where the wind and the waves and the billows do roar, there I heard a strange voice make a terrible sound. 'Twas the wind and the waves and the echoes all round, crying, oh, my love is gone. He's the youth I adore. He is gone and I never shall see him no more. She'd a voice like a nightingale, skin like a dove, and the song that she sang, it was all about love. I asked her to marry me please, but the answer she gave, my love's drowned in the sea, crying, oh, my love is gone. He's the youth I adore. He is gone and I never shall see him no more. I told her I'd
In the trenches of the First World War, it was the machine gun which changed the face of warfare forever. Over 170,000 officers and men served in the machine gun corps. 12,498 were killed.
Crying, oh, my love is gone. He's the youth I adore. He is gone and I never shall see him no more.
The figure of Boy David is by Francis Derwent Wood of the Royal Academy and created in 1925. David holds the sword of the slain Goliath.
My love is gone. He's the youth I adore. He is gone and I never shall see him no more.